In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a password on your Shopify store. Whether you're still building your website, making updates, or simply want to restrict public access temporarily, enabling password protection is a quick and effective way to secure your store. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify official website. From the home page, click on the login button and sign in to your Shopify account using your email, Google account, or password credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. This section controls everything related to your storefront appearance and visibility. Next, click on Preferences. Inside the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. This is where Shopify allows you to control whether visitors can access your store publicly or only with a password. Now, check the box that says Restrict Access to Visitors with the password. Once enabled, a password field will appear where you can type the password you want visitors to use when entering your store. Choose a strong and memorable password that isn't easy to guess. You can also add a message for visitors explaining why the store is password protected, such as coming soon or store under maintenance. After entering your password and optional message, click Save to apply the changes. Your Shopify store is now password protected, meaning visitors will need the password before they can access your storefront. This feature is especially useful if you're redesigning your store, preparing for a product launch, testing new features, or building your website before officially going live. Before wrapping up, remember to store your password somewhere safe and only share it with trusted people if needed. You can always return to the Preferences section later to remove or update the password anytime. Thanks for watching.